bukan dokter, bukan juga farmasi. This is analis kesehatan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Laras Irdayanti. You can call me Laras. I am student from Akademi Analis Kesehatan Pekalongan. In here, I tell about the career of a medical laboratory technologist and explain the job description of a laboratory technologist. As a laboratory technologist, making lab reports is part of the job description, and explain the function and tips for making lab reports. Most people are more familiar with the profession of doctors, nurses, and midwives. In fact, there is one profession in the medical field that also plays an important role, namely health analysis. Like other professions in the medical field, the job prospects for health analysis are no less bright and promising. Health analysis major, or also known as medical laboratory technology, is a study program in the health sector that aims to produce a medical laboratory technologist expert or high-skilled health analysis. Health analyses are expected to be able to examine, determine, measure, and test materials, bodily fluids, and diseases originating from humans or not. The purpose of this work is to determine the type and cause of the disease. In addition to the health condition or factor that affects public health, examination is carried out using available health laboratory facilities. Even though you could say the tuition fee for a health analysis is quite expensive, it promises brilliant job prospects. In the world of work, the difference between D3, D4, and S1 health analysis is not taken into account because many agencies and companies require the competencies of an analysis. They usually have the opportunity to work in 1. Private civil servants or PNS, and 2. Private clinical laboratory, 3. Government or private hospital, 4. Regional health laboratory, 5. Food and Drug Monitoring Agency or BPOM, and then 6. Companies in the field or food beverage, pharmaceutical, and 7. Police forensic laboratory, 8. Science research institutes, and last, lecturer. Currently, there is a shortage of health analysis in Indonesia, even though in the development of science and technology. The number of health laboratories is increasing, so the job opportunity for a health analyst is very large. One of the medical laboratory technology task description is to make laboratory reports, which include reports on every examination carried out, the patient's medical history contained in the medical record, laboratory result issued, availability of tools, reagents, and other materials supporting examination, as well as financial reports, and so on. The function of the laboratory report is to explain and analyze the experimental procedures carried out and the data obtained. It contains experimental procedure carried out and the data obtained. It contains many important sections, such as hypothesis, a list of tools and material, many important as well as experimental raw data arranged in a certain format. Tips for making good and correct laboratory report. And 1. Determine the report format. Example, die or date, examination title, objectives, principles, tools and materials, procedure, interpretation of result of normal values, discussion and conclusion. 2. Don't forget to enter the identity of the patient of probandus and the sample used. And last, written in neat and easy to read writing. So, I waiting you to become a health analyst. See you.